Hello friends! Today we'll open the Lenovo LOQ Essential 15. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on LaptopMedia.com. The link is below the video. Now let's start. We use a Torx T5 screwdriver to remove 9 screws from the bottom cover. The 3 short ones are 4mm M2. Keep them separate. When reinstalling, tighten gently. Over-torquing can strip the threads. The 6 longer screws are 6mm M2. With a thin plastic tool, we begin releasing the cover clips. This corner gives the easiest start. Continue working the tool along the left edge, then around the perimeter. Last clip free, the panel lifts off smoothly. Here's the laptop with the bottom cover removed. The 57 watt-hour lithium-ion battery is held by 2 screws. We disconnect the battery connector using a non-metallic tool without pulling hard on the wires. You can check our battery life test in the written review, link below the video. Don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking at LaptopMedia.com. Next, we undo the SSD retaining screw with a JS No. 1 driver. The LOQ Essential provides two M.2 2042 PCIe 4.0 by 4 slots. One is free for future upgrades. We pop out the DDR5 SO DIMM. There's one slot that officially supports up to 32 GB of DDR5 4800 memory. If you need to know everything about the Lenovo LOQ Essential 15, read our in-depth review on LaptopMedia.com. The link is below the video.